This video reviews a Venn diagram and how to use a Venn diagram to answer a question involving probability. Now we've got 120 adults, 85 watch football, 78 play a sport, 20 do neither. And the question is, find the probability of an adult who does watch football does not play a sport. So we're going to try and produce a Venn diagram to represent this. So, here are our 120 adults in this rectangle. Some do indeed watch football, some indeed play a sport. 20 do neither. So I can put 20 around the outside. And there's 120 in total. So there must be 100 people within these two circles, because 120 in total, take away 20 is 100. Now here's the problem. If I add together the footballers, or those who watch football, and those who play a sport, 85 plus 78 gives me 163. So there's meant to be 100 people in here in total, but these add to make 163. And that's because a lot of these adults do both. And to work out the overlap, we do 163, take away 100, which is 63. So 63 adults must both watch football and do a sport. I can therefore find out those who only watch football and those who only do a sport, because 85 watch football. We've only got 63 of them, and 85 take 63 is 22, so 22 only watch football. They both add to make 85. The same with the sports circle. We've only got 63 of them. There were 78 in total who play a sport. 78 take 63 is 15. So to check this, 22 plus 63 are our football watchers. That makes 85. Correct. 63 plus 15, those who play a sport, adds to make 78. Correct. 20 do neither. Correct. And 22 plus 63 plus 15 is 100, plus 20 makes 120. Having done this, the question is, find the probability of an adult who does watch football, in other words, look only in the football circle, does not play a sport. Well, in total, there are 85 people who watch football. And of those, 22 do not play a sport. So the answer is 22 out of 85.